Welcome to TP Square Vlogs. In this video, I'll show you next 5 top tips you need to know while using Microsoft Word. Let's continue the count from part 1 video. Tip number 6, in this tip I'll show you how to insert text into images. There are 3 ways of doing this. I have already inserted a picture into this document. Let's see the first way. Go to Insert tab in the menu bar and select Word Art option in the text section. Word Art is inserted into the document. You can notice that it can be moved anywhere on the image. Let's name it Snowland. If you move the image in the document, inserted text moves with it as well. This is one way of doing it. Let's see the second way now. Insert a text box into the document by selecting this option in the Insert tab. This is inserted above the image. To move this onto the image, go to Shape Format tab upon selecting the text box. In the Arrange section, select In Front of Text option from the drop-down menu of Wrap Text option. This option enables us to move the text box anywhere in the document. Now move this onto the image and fill it with text. Change the format to remove the white background and border. In the third way, select the same option Insert Text Box. Now choose the option Draw Text Box. Now we can draw this text box anywhere in the document. Let's draw it on the image and fill it with text. Now if I move this image in the document, the 3 inserted texts move with it. This is how one can insert text onto the images in Microsoft Word. Tip number 7, Word provides an option to insert a date and time into the document and keeping it up to date automatically. To do this, let's go to Insert tab and select Date and Time option in the text section. Here, you can select any format you would like to have. Then select the option Update Automatically. Then press OK. Now the inserted date and time updates automatically every time the document is opened. If you want to insert into every page of the document, let's open the header and footer of the document. In the header and footer section, select the Insert the Date and Time option. The same window pops up as we saw earlier. Select the style and press OK. Now close the header and footer. I am now inserting new page to show that the date and time appears in the new page too. This is how one can insert date and time into the document and keep it up to date automatically. Tip number 8. I'll show you how to split the paragraphs written in a page into columns of text. For this, let's generate text using random command. Then let's select the paragraphs that we want to split. Now go to Layout tab and select Columns option. Here one can select the number of columns we need. I'll show each and every option by selecting them. You can notice how this changes the formatting of text in the document according to the option chosen. One can also select More Columns option and customize number of columns, width and gap between them. I am here playing with all the options and showing you the results of the option selected. One can also insert vertical lines between the columns by selecting Line Between option. This is how one can split the text into multiple columns in the document. Tip number 9, Adding the ruler into the document. One can add ruler by going into View tab of the document and selecting the option Ruler under Show section. Now the ruler is visible, and one can also select the grid lines to see them in the document or leave it not selected to hide them. Now one can use the ruler to move the location of text you want to start from. By default, one cannot type text outside the margins of the document. By using the pins on the ruler, one can move the text location outside the margins. This can be anything: the text one want to enter freshly or the text already existed. Now I'll show how to move the other text we have in this document. This is how one can use the ruler to edit location of the text in the document. Tip number 10. So far, we know how to copy and paste the text as well as multi-paste of text. Now, I'll show how to copy the style of a text and paste it to other text of a different style. First, I'll change the format of this paragraph. Now, I'll select the location anywhere in this paragraph. Then I'll select the Format Painter option in the Clipboard section. By doing this, the format used in this paragraph is copied. Next, select the location in the document where you want to paste this format. If you select A in between the word, the format is applied to that particular word, or if you select the entire paragraph, then the format is pasted to the entire paragraph. This is how one can use Format Painter to copy the style and paste. I hope these tips will help. Please subscribe to the channel if you like our videos. Thank you.